So this is the first job opening that we have. Not we have the people those who are providing jobs. The company name is Tele Globals is the company name, right? And they providing they have three openings, L1, L2, L3. L1 is basically the freshers one, and L3 is the experience one. So if you are L1, 6 months to 1 years experience is required. For L2, 2 to 3 years experience is required, and 4+ years of experience is required for L3, right? This is Delhi. The job is in Delhi, right? It's work from office, right? So if you feel like this job is good for you, you can apply. Now, I guess this is also for freshers. You can see like 1 to 3 years of experience is required for this job role, where someone is looking for web and API security analyst, right? And they are the notice period, they are the certifications which is required. You can scan this QR code if you'd like to apply for this job opening. And company name is Oricel, right? Now, next one is someone is hiring for 0 to 4 years of experience required. This is again for freshers. So, guys, there's a lot of hiring, guys. You can apply, and company name is Info Lexus, right? So what you'll do, you'll need to monitor, respond with a security incident. It's like cybersecurity engineer job, right? And what they are looking for, you need to do all those things. Probably the SIM job. Okay, it's like a SOC job, right? And recruiter one at info lexus.com is the mail on which you can provide your mail ID. We can you can drop your resume, right? Now next is there's a lot of hiring, guys. You can see here your@has.com.my is a mail on which you can send your resume. So guys, just be aware. I feel like it's a PC or something. So just I guess it's from Myanmar, right? Just let me know in the comment box where it is from. Now next one is someone is hiring for SOC analyst. It's 6+ years of experience required. Easy for experience. Hyderabad this job. You can send your resume on both these mail IDs. Next is GRC delivery manager, governance risk and compliances. What exactly they are looking for? 12 to 20 years of experience required, 7 to 10 years in GRC implementations. Key responsibilities, what they're looking for. Dipti.karkera@intertesis.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? That's what we have for today. We have one more YouTube channel, Cyber Coffee YouTube channel. So if you have any questions, just drop your comment, right? This is the mail ID. This is if you want to learn about web listen pen testing. If you want to learn about SOC, you can check out this one, right? So that's what we have. Discord, join from here. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. There is no question in the chat box. So have a great day. Jai Hind.